What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Oneplus have started rolling out this stable update of Oxygen OS 11 for Oneplus 6 and 6T. The update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But if you guys want to update your device immediately, download links can be found in the description below. Download the file and place it inside the internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. Once done, just go to System Update, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you'll be able to see the file. And there are possibilities that once you download the file, you might see the file in .jar format. And if the file is in .jar format, then you need to long press on the file, rename the file and remove .jar from the end. Later the file format should be in .zip. Locally updating your device supports zip format. And if you guys are already running stable channel, then my recommendation will be to format your data after updating to Android 11 so that you can get the better performance with minimal bugs. And for those who are running beta channel on their OnePlus 6 and 6T, I'll leave a video guide in the description below. Using that video guide, you can downgrade your device to the stable channel. Before moving ahead, these are the benchmark results using Geekbench application. On stable channel of Oxygen OS, single core have scored 477 and the multi-core have scored 1717. With Antutu benchmark application, scores are 3,67,963. I know most of the OnePlus 6 series users are aware about the UI changes done on Oxygen OS 11. There are lots of changes when it comes to UI and I personally do like Oxygen OS 11 UI. I'll also be doing a gaming test. So if you guys haven't subscribed to a gaming channel, make sure to subscribe so that you can watch our live streaming and also gaming test on custom ROMs. Talking about the changelogs here, OnePlus have mentioned changelogs related to system, game space application, camera, ambient display, dark mode and shelf. Under system they say they have updated the device to Android 11. First let me show you the software information. So going to about section, here's my OnePlus 6T. Android version is Android 11. We still have July security patch running on the stable build of Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 6 series. After that under system they have updated few things like fresh new UI design and other stuff. With Oxygen OS 11 there are some minor additions which haven't mentioned in the changelogs. Like while taking a screenshot, you can long press on the screenshot gallery, which will give you few options to share the screenshot. Later they have also added this nearby charging station option, which can come in handy if you are traveling. There is an issue to be seen on Oxygen OS 11 stable build that you cannot update the Red Cable Club application from the Play Store. And this issue was also present on beta builds, though you can still give it a try by sideloading the APK manually. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to game space application. So this application have got some new additions which can be found in this particular update. And few major addition is this new gaming tool and mistouch prevention. And these two additions are quite handy while gaming. So if you have enabled these two options, once you launch any game, you'll get this introduction of gaming tool. This gaming tool can be triggered either by swiping from the left top corner or from right top corner, from where you can access to pro gaming mode. You can use messaging apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and OnePlus have also added this data monitor feature, which will give you an options to keep and track on the FPS, GPU and CPU usage. I've made a dedicated video on this. If you guys want, you can check it out in the description below. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to camera application. So here after the update, camera version is 3.14.33. I personally did not find any kind of major improvements in the picture quality. There are some UI changes done when it comes to camera application. Here are few samples which I clicked after updating the device to the latest build. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys find any kind of improvements in the picture quality or not? Next major addition to Oxygen OS 11 is this new customization section, where they have added this new canvas feature along with few new clock styles for ambient display. Under new clock styles, they have done one new addition of this inside clock style, which will give you a fair idea how many times you have unlocked the device and few other stuff. And if you guys are thinking about always on display feature, then I'm damn sure that it won't make it on the stable channel of Oxygen OS 11 or OnePlus 6 series. But still, there are always workaround. You can root your device and have always on display feature on any of your OnePlus devices. Now talking about the next addition, which is this canvas feature. If you're using this for the first time, you need to update the Canvas AOD application, and if you find any kind of issues while updating from Play Store, you can manually sideload the APK. Basically, Canvas is a feature which will extract the subject outline from any photo to be displayed on ambient display. And on initial builds of Oxygen OS, many users were complaining that it doesn't work fine. But here, on my OnePlus 6T, there are no issues with the Canvas AOD feature. It do work great on my OnePlus 6T. Next addition is this dark mode implementation, which can be triggered or enabled by going inside the display settings. There are some settings to automatically turn it on, like you can use automatically enable from sunset to sunrise, and if you want you can also set the custom time range. And the dark mode toggle have also been added in the quick setting panel. If you don't find it by default, you can just tap on the edit icon and drag this on the upper portion. Last but not the least, few minor changes have also been done to the Oneplus shelf, wherein they have added this new weather widget. So guys, this was the quick look on stable build of Oxygen OS for Oneplus 6 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.